Hi, I'm Stacy with WTI. Looking for a humidifier and diffuser all in one, and one that looks super cute as well? This is from WENPHONE, and this is a diffuser that has a mist with 7 different colors so that you can mimic either a fire or a spa-like appearance while you're diffusing your favorite oils. I really appreciate that it also acts as a humidifier. The air in our home is very dry this time of year, so I definitely wanted to get one that would be great for a small room like an office or a bedroom for our home, and this is perfect. The diffuser has a timer function that you can operate either from the remote or from the device itself, and you'll find that it goes for about 4 hours once you fill the tank. The tank is pretty smart on this diffuser. It actually knows if it's empty, so I really like that feature. It reminds me to add water and to add fresh oils whenever we need it. The beautiful mist that comes out of this diffuser really makes it the diffuser that it is. It has a wood grain finish on the outside. The whole body of it is made of plastic, so it is lightweight and it doesn't take up a lot of space on a desk or a counter. Go with something that's going to be some bright, beautiful colors, really emitting some nice moisture into the air, and you'll find that you are in love with this diffuser. But that's my point of view.